in command of the aircraft, the all-marine crew. And again, you might, since they're moving left to right, you might want to hold your cameras sideways as they come in for a low pass at over 378.5 miles an hour. Over 2,500 Hercules aircraft have been built since 1954. Winter training over at Naval Air Facility,